Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Well, religious holiday, happy holidays, who cares? At least in Australia, it's not entirely a religious thing. It's just more of just we get time off. We get to eat stuff and other stuff. And we get to stay indoors because it's too hot to do anything. Yeah. But besides all that, we're going to talk about our first tool, which is Canva. Canva is a simplified graphic design tool founded in 2012 in Australia. It uses a drag and drop format very similar to PowerPoint and other basic graphic editors, but it also provides access to photographs, vector images, graphics and fonts. It's also used by a lot of non-designers to create beautiful looking booklets, social media posts, covers, anything that you need to create as an image or needs to be designed in any sort of way, you can create in Canva. Of course, it's not going to be to the quality and standards of, say, a designer who's had multiple years of experience in stuff, but it's a good thing to get you started, and there are free options available with a paid option on top where you can get more access to different types of tools within the app. Canva can be used on desktop or their mobile app like you can see here, and they've also just introduced video, which we'll be doing a tutorial soon. Why not check out our Canva tutorial on our YouTube channel? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you use that tool, make sure you comment below and let us know how you go with it. So make sure you check out Video Confidence Coach on all of your social medias and all of the Facebooks and all of the places that we are. And if you have any questions, you can just DM, email us and all that cool stuff. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and stay tuned for tomorrow for another thing.